Hi, my name is Vince. I'm with 1A Garage Doors, Sacramento, California, and today I am making a video on how to adjust your safety sensors for your garage door opener. And we are using specifically a 8355 today, LiftMaster. The nice thing about these sensors is the majority of the openers out there, like Craftsman, Access Master, Chamberlain, they actually use the same safety sensors, especially on the newer models. And we'll start off by, well, first of all, these are usually mounted onto the rails, so don't get too confused on it. And you'll notice that you have two lights on here. One's the yellow one, one's the green one. Yellow one's indicating that it's making that it has power. Green one indicating that it's making that connection with one another. So it's perfectly normal for one to be yellow, one to be green. So if your garage door opener does not want to close, and what's it called? Let me put this right in the way. You'll notice one turns off, and the light bulb blinks where I turn the light right here. I'll turn it back on. The light bulb blinks about 10 times, or you hear that clicking noise. So when that means check your safety sensors. Make sure they're 100% aligned. Make sure nothing's in the way of them. So if I move this right here, you'll notice the green light will automatically turn on. Now, in some cases, you'll still see both the lights are on, and it kind of does it intermittently. It'll go halfway down, reverse, and go right back up, and it starts blinking 10 times. A lot of times, it shakes the rails just a tad bit, and they're just slightly misaligned where it'll trigger it to go right back up. So if it does that, and you're like, oh, but the lights are still on, try to adjust your safety sensors. And here's what's called, how do you adjust it? Some of my customers call this the butterfly nut, and we'll call it the butterfly nut today. And what you want to do is you don't have to take off the frame off the rail, but this butterfly nut right there, you loosen it up. You don't have to unscrew it all the way, just a little bit. And you'll notice the sensor on the inside, becomes loose. So you could move it, up, down, back and forth, and what you want to do, just eyeball it the best you can. There's no really specific way of, doing that 100%. Just eyeball it. Just make sure it's lining up as close as you can. Snug this butterfly nut right back in like this, and do the same thing to the other one. Because even though sometimes you think you did it to one and it still does it could be the other one out of alignment too. So do the same thing to both of them. Don't worry about some customers ask me, hey, will I mess anything? No, you won't mess anything up. Just be careful with it. Don't pull on any wires. You don't necessarily have to take off the bracket right there. Just loosen it up, align the sensor, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below, and please like our video if it helped you out. Thank you, and have a great day.